Yo guys, how are we all doing? Alvin Mark here. We are in the northern part of Singapore. Whoa, what? Old Birdcage Walk? Okay, so we're so off the grid that these names aren't even familiar to the locals. That's Seletar Airport, a building also not common to the inhabitants of this island. I bet that many of us are missing the sounds or smell of the aeroplane. So this episode addresses just that. In this episode, we will visit a cafe right next to an airstrip. We'll be able to see, smell and hear planes. Thank goodness filming is allowed in this area, otherwise this entire video would be black. We are next to the airstrip of the Seletar Airport and the cafe is right there too. This blue truck deserves a sketch too, we'll see if we have time. But it's blazing hot right now under the 4 p.m. sun, so let's pause for a while to enjoy this sight. There it goes, up and away. I'll be checking out this cafe before meeting my former colleagues. There's art, there are bicycles, and they serve some bites. This cafe is half filled during this time of day, so I found a table with a great angle that allows me to see the counter and some tables and chairs. I ordered a lemongrass juice and started to make the sketch on my 20 by 10 cm format paper. I think I'll order a plate of fries too. A guy in his bicycle sports gear sat himself to my right and he orders a 100 plus, a local isotonic sports drink. Above me hangs about 10 brightly colored road bicycles and bicycle related paraphernalia. Let's head out there to see if there's anything else to sketch. The sun is setting behind the airstrip, so all the planes are backlit, not so good. And I made the immediate decision not to oil paint this scene. If it were the scene behind me instead, like this, I would. But unfortunately, this plane is only half revealed. I think I'm gonna ink sketch this airstrip instead. The fence and the barbed wire would be quite fun to draw. So it's good practice in our day-to-day to smell the roses or watch sunsets. So here in this episode, I'm making some time to do just this. It's time for some watercoloring, so I looked for two very contrasting cakes in terms of value to paint. it would have to be the double chocolate and the Earl Grey. Highly recommended by the cashier. I had to wait for the one and only table in this cafe that's lit to be available. The rest were kind of dimly lit. I know I fuss about such things, but this is where you guys get to enjoy the art a whole lot more. This is Alvin Mark. Thank you for being a part of this episode. I'm going to quickly finish this sketch so that I can join my friends for dinner and a great catch up. Stay well, stay safe, be kind. I promise you an immersive aeroplane episode soon. Let me know if you're interested. So until the next one, guys, ciao ciao.